11 मार्च 2024 को अल-फ़ारिद इस्लामिक मॉडल स्कूल मेन कैंपस किला कालरवाला में आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट सालाना एग्जीबिशन 2024 का इनाकाद किया गया। बैरूनी गेट से लेकर एग्जीबिशन हॉल तक तमाम राहदारी को बहुत खूबसूरती से सजाया गया। चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव गुलाम फरीद जगम और प्रिंसिपल मैम फरहान सीम ने एग्जीबिशन का बाकायदा इफ्तिताह किया। सैकड़ों की तादाद में मदरस ने एग्जीबिशन का विजिट किया और बच्चों की बनाई हुई चीज़ों की खूब तारीफ की। बच्चों की क्रिएटिविटी को देखकर अकल दंग रह गई। बच्चों ने ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें तैयार की कि सब देखने वालों को वर्ता हैरत में डाल दिया।
Assalamualaikum, my name is Faizan from level 8. Today I am going to present my model showpiece. First of all, I am going to tell you about what is the material provided. First of all, wool thread, laces, rice, poster pins and some flowers. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum, this is Fiza Afzal and I'm from 8th grade. Today I'm going to present a calendar. First of all, I'm going to tell you that what is the material which is required for this calendar. The main material is cardboard, paper, scissors and obviously some glue to stick them together. Then I use some beads and glitter sheets to decorate it. Now I'm going to tell you that how I made this calendar. First of all, I take 3 pieces of cardboard in a rectangular shape and stick them together. Then I again take 3 pieces of cardboard and do the same process, but I cut them together like this. Then I start writing the names of the days and weeks on it, and then I take a punching machine and make a hole in it. Then I take some laces and tie them like this. Here my model is ready. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. This is Miss Zani Ghazal from class 8 and here's my model named decoration piece for Ramadan. First of all, I want to tell you that what material required in this model: cardboard, cotton, computer sheets, etc. And as you all know that Ramadan is about to come. Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar. First of all, I cut out the base and paste cotton on it, and then I cut out the shapes of moon and stars, and then I put all material on the base, and at last I put out the tag of Ramadan Kareem to enhance the look. Assalamualaikum, this is Miss Zainab from level 8. Today my model is whiteness. First of all, I will tell you the material which is required in this model: rope, cardboard, artificial plants, computer sheets and beads. Then I will tell you how I made this model. First of all, I cut base, then I paste the circle on base. I cut some flowers with computer sheets, then I paste everything on base. So my model is ready. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Mayarzan and I tell you about how I'm making this process. First, I cut cardboard into circle shape and I paste spoon on it. Then I cut spoons into half shape and paste on it. Then next I cut computer sheets and make flower and it make. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dear sir, Assalamualaikum, I'm Dua from Abed. Today I'm going to tell you about wall decorate. The material required in this model is disposable spoons, computer sheet, cardboard and flower. And Myra is telling about this making.
Assalamualaikum, respected sir. My name is Zahad. First of all, my project name is wall hanging. I use computer sheet and stone glue. I cut butterfly of different colors and them in wall hanging. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Lar. I read in level 3. My project name is Nest. First of all, I use in paper sheet, stones. First, I cut the beautiful flowers and attached all material. Do you have any question? Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Maham from level 7. Today I am here to present my model study rack. The required material is cardboard, glue gun, drawers, gift wrap, etc. We can use for hall pans, books, etc. Drawers is used for special things for safe. Thank you.
Dear audience, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainab from class 7. Today I am going to tell you about Burj Khalifa. The material required for this project is glue computer sheets, cardboard, glue and glue gun. Burj Khalifa is the tallest and most famous building of world. Its height is 830 meters. It has 163 floors. In a year, about 10,000 tourists come in Dubai to visit Burj Khalifa. It's all about my topic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mana from level 8. Today my model is clock. The material which is cut in this model: ice cream sticks, cardboard, glue gun, countings. First of all, I cut a piece of cardboard into square shape. Then I attach some machinery to work, which is indeed for clock to work. Here my model is ready. Thank you.
आखिर में टीचर्स और मदर्स की टीम ने बच्चों के तहलीकी फनपारों को चेक किया और टीचर्स और मदर्स की टीम ने इन तहलीकी फनपारों की सिलेक्शन की और उनको ट्रॉफी और कैश प्राइज से नवाजा गया। अल-फ़रीद इस्लामिक मॉडल स्कूल का ये तुर्राए इम्तियाज़ है कि बच्चों की तहलीकी सलाहियतों को निखारने के लिए इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स का इनेकाद करता रहता है। हर साल आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन और दूसरी साइंस एग्जीबिशन मुनक्कद होती रहती है, जिसमें बच्चे दिलजमी के साथ तहलीकी सलाहियतों का मुजाहरा करते हैं।